Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and your game is stuck on this black screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert stuck on black screen easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform and then you're going to right click onto Crimson Desert and then you're going to go to Crimson Desert's games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive, program file 86, Steam apps, common, and then Crimson Desert. And now you're gonna have the Crimson Desert exe file here. Now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna delete this Crimson Desert exe file. So just right click on it and then click delete. Don't worry, we're gonna re-download it back again. Now you're gonna open up your game's platform and then you're gonna right click onto Crimson Desert. I'm gonna use another game as an example. You're gonna click onto properties then, and then you're gonna go into install files. And then you're just going to click onto verify integrity of games files, and when you click onto that button it will re-download that Crimson Desert exe file for you. And once it's done with the re-downloading, now you're going to go into general, you're going to go into launch options here, and then you're going to write here -dx11. After that you're going to close this menu up. Now you're going to try to play Crimson Desert and you'll see that your game will not be stuck on that black screen anymore. It will load correctly. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.